Doo-doo. What up, my lovelies? It's Raina, and sorry I'm in my car. I'm actually at work, but I wanted to do a little unboxing kind of for you guys while I'm waiting for work because I have like 15 minutes until I have to go to work. So anyway, I'm going to be unboxing a DIFF Eyewear glasses. So sorry if I keep looking to my right too. But anyway, can you focus on me? Thanks. So I got the blue light glasses from DIFF Eyewear, and I will link what I got down below, but I believe it is sold out, so that doesn't really help you. I thought it'd be fun to do like a little unboxing real quick. I'm not gonna do a review just yet. I'll probably do a review when I get home, but I got these when they restocked because I was looking at them before, but they sold out. So yes, this is what the box looks like. Yeah, nice, cool. I love this little box that it came in, the actual little box. Like, this box is really cute. It's black and gold, very sophisticated. And I got the Sawyer vintage crystal blue light tech glasses, and people are starting to show up for work, so if you see any cars, you know that's the reason why. It's a little weird though because like I'm filming myself in my parking lot. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. So it comes in like this little person saw me filming, but it comes in like this little case and it says DIFF. How cute. Open it. Oh, and it says let's make a difference. Wow. And then this is kind of like a suede material. I'm gonna say it's faux, but I could be wrong. And it comes in here. I got the rose gold one. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So if you guys don't know what blue light tech is, it's supposed to limit the blue rays that come from screens and such. So I've been getting headaches from looking at screens lately, and I already have another blue light why do I want to say sunglasses? Blue light glasses, but I don't really like the yellow tint on it, whereas this one should have a clear tint. If not, like, whatever. It's still cute. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Oh. 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 Oh my gosh, that's really cute. Okay, so this is what they look like. And they have the little DIFF logo on there. Let's try one. Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay. Wow. Okay. 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 This is what they look like. Okay. I'm gonna bring you guys just a little closer. So they look like I can think you, you can, my mind is going a million miles per hour right now and my mouth just can't keep up. You can kind of see the blue, I guess you can say, the blue, like the blue technology or whatever. But this is what they look like. How cute are they? Yes. I was thinking of either these ones or the black ones, but I figured these would be cuter. And they're cute. Yes. All right. So this is what they look like. Oh, I think they're so cute. Ah, okay. So yes, this is a Sawyer Blue Tech rose gold ones, and I'm sure they're most likely sold out. So I'll still leave oh my gosh. I'll leave the link in the description so that you guys can check it out. But that's what they look like. They are pretty pricey. They're $65, but hopefully like they work, which is worth the money. So yeah, I'm gonna go now, go to work, but this is what they look like. And I think they were so cute. Am I gonna use them at work? Probably not, because I don't use them just yet. So I'll use them when I go home. So yeah, I'll see you in a little bit. It is like a couple days after I did the review, but I have my glasses on because I am editing a vlog, so I thought I would try and test them out. I tested them out on my phone earlier this morning, like right when I woke up, just to see how it would feel. When I use my phone in the morning, my eyes are still like adjusting to waking up. I don't check my phone often in the morning because my eyes hurt, so I thought I would try these to see how it would feel. And I actually watched some YouTube this morning on my phone with the glasses, and they felt good. They didn't feel like they were straining or anything, so that's good. So I'm gonna try testing them out while I am editing this, or not this vlog, but, or not this review, but a vlog. So I will update you guys when I update you. Let's turn the brightness up to 75%. Okay, so I know the lighting is terrible, but I am now going to test these glasses without the light and just my screen light, because that does happen a lot when I'm watching like YouTube or movies, Netflix, whatever, and it's still at 75%. I do have to say though, my eyes are kind of, I wouldn't say straining, but I can feel, not pressure, but I can feel something with my eyes, and I don't know how I feel about it yet. So I'm going to finish watching this YouTube video, and then I will let you guys know how it feels, how my eyes feel after. Okay, so I just finished the video, and I can say that it's not as bad as before. It was only like 7 minutes that I watched, but it's not as bad as before. So I'm still gonna use it, but I think it's because I've always had my computer set at 50% brightness, and now that it's at 75% brightness, it's a little straining my eyes. So I think I'm gonna go back to 50, just because I don't want to strain my eyes anymore, even though I think this is what it's supposed to like prevent from happening. I don't know, but I'm gonna try it. So I will update you after I watch another video at 50%. Alright guys, so what can I say? I like these glasses. They do work. However, I think I need to try it some more. Maybe like keep using them to see if they work, you know what I'm saying? But as right now, I'm going to end this review here. So I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I don't know, I kind of just did this for fun, just to see if it actually did work. I say that it works, so that's cool. I will leave the glasses in the description. I do highly recommend getting them super fast, because they will sell out. So from my knowledge, they're supposed to restock on January 3rd. If you want to check them out now. Even though they're sold out, check them out now to see if you want to get them, because they will supposedly restock on January 3rd. So yes, they have all kinds of different kinds of blue light glasses, so if you guys want to check it out, do so. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you are having a great morning, afternoon, night, dusk, dawn, whenever you're watching this, and I hope that you have a great 2019 New Year's. Be safe. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.